Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, children, everybody get ready with your social studies copies.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. All of you get ready with your social studies copies. Now, today again, what we are going to do, any guesses?
Ma'am, worksheet. Ma'am, worksheet.
Yes, worksheet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. All of you be ready with your social studies copies. I'm going to share a screen with you. Good morning. Yes.
मेरी मैम आपने कोई चैप्टर 1 और चैप्टर 2 की वर्कशीट करवाई है?
Yes, बेटा करवाई है.
मैम वो आप सेंड कर
आपने
दीजिए.
नहीं करी?
नो मैम.
Why, Pranav? Why haven't you done it? Were you not present in the class?
यस मैम मैंने वर्कशीट नहीं की है.
Okay. First say, ma'am, I have not done.
मैम आई हैव नॉट डन.
Okay. Why haven't you done? Say, ma'am, I was absent.
मैम आई विल एब्सेंट.
I was absent.
मैम आई वाज एब्सेंट.
Okay. So why didn't you check the D group? I have sent every work on the D group. Are you there? Are you there in the D group?
यस मैम.
Then beta, is it not your duty to check the group when you take leave? Huh?
Ma'am, what we'll do today? Ma'am, can you send again chapter 1 and 2?
No, I will not send again. First, you will look in the D group. The work which gets missed by any chance, all of you should check the D group after the school gets over. Is that fine? You can't every time tell your teachers not to send the work to you personally on your walls. This is not the way. When teachers are sending everything on the D group for your convenience, then why to send on personal group, personal walls? Okay? Try to look for the work yourself first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now all of you get ready with your social studies copies. I'm sharing this. Yes.
मैम मैं चैप्टर 4 की वर्कशीट कर लूं. मैं पहले की नहीं की.
Chapter 4 ki to beta I have not made you do only. Did I make you do any worksheet from chapter 4?
No, ma'am.
No, we have not done any worksheet from chapter 4. We have only done from chapter 1 and chapter 2. And today I am giving you from chapter 3. That is responsibilities of good citizen. Now nobody will.
One worksheet from chapter 3.
We have done one worksheet from chapter 3.
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That worksheet, that was question answers, right? I had typed them in the chat box. Isn't it? 7 questions in the chat box. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
You have correct.
Now what you will do is, today I will share another worksheet from the same chapter and you have to do it in your copies. Now nobody will ask me, ma'am, can we write only answers? If anybody will ask, you will keep asking because I will not unmute myself to reply. Because this question is invalid in my class. Okay? Question dismissed. Now, put today's date, write down chapter 3 worksheet, give the heading and wait for me to share the screen.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, beta, say. Yes.
मैम आप हर चैप्टर के बाद वर्कशीट करवाती हैं?
See, beta, I have not done after every chapter, but yes, now I have started giving worksheet for every chapter. Now, since we have completed 4 chapters, now we are doing worksheets of all the chapters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
today.
this is worksheet of chapter 3.
This is the worksheet of responsibilities of good citizen. Now, which chapter is it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which chapter is it?
Ma'am, chapter 3.
Okay. All right. Start doing. You're going to finish it very soon. I know, I'm sure.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send me chapter 2 worksheet?
Rana, did you try to find it in the group?
Ma'am, please send this in WhatsApp group.
Okay, I will send.
Ma'am, do we
Rana, which worksheet are you talking about? Tell me. I'll send you.
Ma'am, chapter 2.
Chapter 2, chapter 2. Okay, I'll send.
Ma'am, do we have to also write SR International?
No, beta, you don't have to write that.
Ma'am, I am saying, ma'am, please
Yes. Say, beta, say.
share full screen that we can also see the 50 and 49.
You want me to share full screen? This is full screen only.
Ma'am, please send
Okay,
this
check.
in WhatsApp group.
Can
Please
also
send
see
this
I have shared,
the 15.
beta, I have shared it on WhatsApp group. Those who want to see on the WhatsApp group can see from there.
अभी तुमने खोल दिया मेरा इससे पहले व्हाट्सएप चला रहा
I have shared one more worksheet that Pranav you were asking for. It is on WhatsApp group of class. Okay, not D group, on your 4th C group.
What is written in the the second one?
What, beta? What?
Ma'am, what is written in the second one from D, and I don't understand.
Okay, dash is a democratic country.
Ma'am, we have to write answers.
Question dismissed.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of diametric? Democratic country.
Democratic country is where the people of the country can choose their leaders. So do you think India is a democratic country? We have elections in India. We choose
Yes, ma'am.
We choose our leaders with our choice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So dash is a democratic country. Now what will you write here?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Huh? Yes, tell.
India.
Very good. India.
अरे नाश्ता कर लो.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of geometric?
Democratic. Beta, it's democratic. Democratic means democratic country is a country where people choose their leaders. Where people have the right to choose their leaders.
लाओ इधर कर लो तो खा लेते हैं. या म्यूट करके खा लो. ये पेट
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am,
Yes.
you have not written, ma'am, you have not written comma after Respect.
After, oh yes, I have not written. Sorry. Put a comma. Very good, Jaskaran. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please check the chat box.
Okay, beta. Children, what did we do on Saturday?
Ma'am, we do a quiz.
Ma'am, we
Okay, we just did a quiz or a verbal quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
in which we have to type
Did
down.
we do any written work? Did we do anything written?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Nothing was done, beta. Don't worry. Nothing to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now,
Yes.
ma'am, now I understood, ma'am. I am confused in fifth question. Now I understood.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of democratic?
Beta, democratic is where, see, democratic country is the one where people have the right to choose their leaders.
Ma'am, in seventh question, we have to write the name of machine or any process.
Beta, the process, not machine. What is the process called?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this work we have sent also.
No, beta, you don't have to send. We will discuss it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what will the answer of seventh one, voting or election?
Beta, both will be correct. If you write voting, that is also correct. If you write election, that is also correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't find the seventh answer. So can you tell?
People elect their leaders through a process called voting.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't. When I was reading the questions, I can't understand the 10th one.
Which one, beta? 10th one. Private property belongs to whom?
Ma'am,
To
individual.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, what will be the 11th answer?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what will be the 11th answer?
11th one will be, it is the responsibility of the dash to maintain public property. Who maintains public property?
Citizen.
No, not citizens. It is maintained by the government.
Ma'am, government.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the eighth one, we have to write the answer with the number or with the spellings.
Beta, you can write in any form, numeric or number name, anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the 13th one.
All votes are considered. Now, all votes are considered what? Are they considered same and equal, or they are considered inferior, superior?
I'm saying,
Ma'am,
I have done Mokshit.
Okay,
ma'am, please. Ma'am, I didn't understand the 13th one.
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, can you tell the answer of 9th and 10th one?
beta, wait. I will tell. If you don't know, be quiet. We will discuss it later. Okay? Everybody do it right now. Just try to finish it and then we'll do the discussion.
Ma'am, please tell the 13th one.
I will tell you later. Let everybody do. Don't disturb. If you don't know, leave it. Try to look into the book for the answer. Try to find it yourself, beta. Don't simply depend on the teacher that you don't know something, ma'am, please tell. You should also try to now look it yourself.
Ma'am, I am on 11.
Ma'am, please tell the answer of 10th one.
10th one, dash property belongs to all people. Which property belongs to all people? I'm telling
No,
you,
ma'am,
it's
10th. Ma'am,
10th.
private property belongs to an.
Private property belongs to an whom? Now tell, private property belongs to whom? And I'm
Ma'am,
telling
a
you
citizen.
again and again, if you don't know the answer, just wait for others to complete. We will discuss it.
I have done Rasya.
Wait, Rasya, wait for others.
Ma'am, I don't know the 12th one.
But I will not say again and again the same thing. If you don't know, look into the book. If you still can't find, now you have to be a little patient.
to the
Ma'am,
go to the
ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
all
How many students are still doing?
Ma'am, my 12, 13 and 14, 15 are left.
I'm doing.
Ma'am, I am on 11. Ma'am, I am on 11.
Okay, now 2 more minutes. No, 3 minutes more. Nobody will speak in between. After 3 minutes, we'll discuss.
Ma'am, why you are sending the unmute request?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nominated?
Almost. What?
Nominated is beta who is chosen. A person who is chosen for election is called a.
Ma'am, I have done a hand. Ma'am, I did not understand the 13 one. Ma'am, I did not understand the 13 one.
Beta, which one you didn't understand?
Ma'am, 13 one.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of considered?
All votes are considered. Considered means they are counted or they are taken. They are counted as, all votes are considered means they are taken as. All votes are taken as what? They are taken as equal. All votes are considered equal.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nominated?
Beta, nominated means they are chosen. A person who stands in an election is called a
Okay.
person who stands.
Ma'am, only 3 minutes are left. Ma'am, only 3 minutes are left.
Ma'am, I'm on 12.
Okay, beta, let's discuss the answers now.
Ma'am, done Jaskaran Singh Tane.
Okay. The first one. Civics is a subject that teaches us how the
Government of the
Government of the country works.
very good. Dash is a democratic country.
India. India.
India. Jari.
A dash is a person belonging to a country.
Citizen. A
Citizen.
Citizen.
Is a person belonging to a country.
A citizen.
Dash means having a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility.
Civics.
It is civic sense.
Having a sense of respect and responsibility.
Civic sense.
Yes. To be a good dash, we first have to be a good dash.
Is it
Citizen. To be citizen and neighbor.
Citizen and neighbor.
Good citizen and good neighbor.
Citizen and neighbor.
Good, okay, be quiet. To be a good citizen, we first have to be a good neighbor. Then, number 6. Dash are people who live near our house.
Neighbor.
Very good.
Neighbor.
Neighbor are the people who live near our house. Neighbor.
Okay. Then, next.
Election.
Their leaders through a process called voting.
Yes, it will be elections or voting. People elect their leaders through process.
Election.
Elect-
Voting. Election.
Elections in India are held after every
5 years.
5 years.
5 years. 5 years.
5 years.
Okay, beta, just wait for a minute. Just wait. I have forgotten to send the link in the next class.
Ma'am, only 1 minute is left.
Yes, beta. No